Bore da pawb, Lindsay Cawdry Bruce Dewey. I'm the Chief Executive of Wales Council for Voluntary Action, and I'm at the Dusty Forge this morning, which is the home of ACE, one of our local charities. I am just ecstatic to be here for the launch of the new funding code of practice for the third sector. This document is a potential game changer for us. It contains some things that we've been campaigning for quite heavily for a number of years. So things like being engaged in early conversations around the way funding is designed, equality of access to funding, flexibility in the way that funding is designed and used so that it's in the interest of communities and not in the interest of bureaucracy. There's a lot that we can be thankful for here. There's a lot that we can celebrate here. The trick is whether it's going to be implemented and how far across government it's going to be implemented. We'd really like to see local authorities, health boards, anybody else adopting this guidance as good practice for how they work with charities and community partners. This really is a tool for how we potentially hold Welsh Government to account as well for the way that our sector is funded and safeguarded. So it doesn't stop here. We're on to the implementation phase next, so there's a lot to do to raise awareness, to train people, but we're really up for that challenge. Diolch yn fawr iawn.